Gwen, and I work for Been There Dump That, and I do the office management. We started with the GPS software many years ago at this point, and have been working on tweaking it to suit our needs as it has changed and evolved. Today we use it to do all the routing and to print off routes for the drivers, as well as look back at the trip history to verify where dump trucks were emptied and where the drivers were and who picked up what bin and all of those lovely pieces of detail. It keeps me sane. We like this quite a bit.